Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. With your thumb, push onto the holding stud of the blade and pull the blade outwards with your other hand. To put the new blade into position, slide it into position along the length of the wiper blade arm. Ensure that it is fixed in place by checking that the stud has clipped in. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Pull the wiper blade arm up until it blocks in the upper position. Turn the blade 45 degrees, then put pressure on it with your thumbs. With the new blade, do the same operation but backwards this time. Apply pressure towards you using your fingers. Operation completed.